High beta SOUN is trending. This is Monday, the 10th of November, 2025. It is up 5.3%, recovering from the intraday low of 2.51 it printed on Thursday, the 6th of November, following its earnings outcomes. Let's find out more.
SoundHound AI, Sound, is back in focus as traders and investors discuss its rebound potential following a sharp post earnings pullback. The conversation has shifted from short term disappointment to long term opportunity, with community members highlighting the company's solid fundamentals, growing list of strategic partnerships, and a potential short squeeze setup as reasons for renewed optimism. Rebound watch after earnings dip. After a volatile reaction to its latest earnings report, Sound has become a closely watched AI name once again. Many traders see the recent weakness as a healthy correction, arguing that the company's revenue growth and expanding customer base provide a strong foundation for recovery. Others note that the stock has shown resilience in the past after periods of heavy selling, suggesting that bullish momentum could return quickly if key price levels hold. Partnerships and catalysts on the horizon. SoundHound's continued success in securing new partnerships across industries, including restaurants, automotive, and enterprise AI, has been a key talking point. These collaborations highlight the company's growing relevance in the voice AI ecosystem and its ability to deliver real world solutions for businesses seeking automation and efficiency. Traders are also speculating that additional deal announcements or sector wide AI enthusiasm could act as near term catalysts for the stock. Short squeeze speculation builds. With high short interest still present, many in the trading community believe SoundHound could be setting up for a short squeeze if buying pressure increases. Bullish investors are monitoring volume spikes and technical indicators, noting that a break above certain resistance levels could trigger rapid upward momentum. Market sentiment and macro influence. Broader market sentiment is also playing a role in SoundHound's price action. Optimism around the potential resolution of the U.S. government shutdown and easing macroeconomic uncertainty has lifted risk appetite in growth and tech stocks. If these trends continue, AI related equities like SoundHound could benefit from renewed investor confidence and sector rotation back into innovation driven names. The takeaway. Despite recent volatility, SoundHound AI remains a high conviction name for many traders who view the dip as an opportunity rather than a red flag. Between improving market conditions, expanding industry partnerships, and ongoing speculation of a short squeeze, the stage may be set for a potential rebound. Though sentiment remains divided between cautious traders and long term believers in the company's vision for AI powered voice technology.
The extrapolation on its 3-day moving average is saying that this trend has picked up as of today. Yeah, today the 10th is expected to remain in place at least up till the end of Wednesday's trading session, Wednesday the 12th, and then after that, it's the downtrend may resume. Okay, so the issue is what could possibly justify what we're looking at right now? What is so bad that the algos should be, or what could be so bad that the algos are suggesting lower prices? Okay, but a critical projection is 15.72. If it surpasses that, then you may go ahead and test 16.55. The 40-day moving average is also validating the downtrend as well, ensuring or rather providing a resistance for the stock to challenge, to surmount also. Yeah, to surmount. But in any case, projections, as I mentioned, one of them is this critical one, 50.67. There's this other one here, 16.59. And then above that, we have 24.43, 26.05, 27.63. These were as of the 31st of October. But as Friday the 7th, it was only 15.65. That was an upper projection as things stand right now. Positions opened all the way back to 40 days ago are not in profit. Those moving averages are not have lost their trend. Because those positions opened all the way back then are not in profit. The underlying trend is just neutral as things stand right now. But we could just quickly have a look at its 4-hour chart. We may have a different picture altogether. Okay, here on the 4-hour chart is a lot more ambitious, a lot more ambitious. The 200-day move, the 40-day move, 40 period moving average is not Well, it's not much of a big challenge. Not much of a big challenge. So it's expected that in the coming weeks it might be revolving around there, consolidating around that moving average. I'm seeing here that strength is going to remain in place, going all the way towards Friday, the 14th of November. Okay, that's a positive. Outside that, it is still a world where it could still align with the extrapolation on the daily chart, but a lot can still happen between now and then. But at the same time, as well, what this is also pointing out, if this turns out to be true, is that the contraction is, let's see now, momentum is going to be getting is yeah, the contraction of any possible momentum is what one should also expect. So going all the way towards the Thursday the 13th, there's a good chance that momentum would have even dissipated, and that's what we have here. You can see that this interaction is largely built from the forecast of its momentum. So momentum is expected to remain strong. It's all building up now. The peak of that momentum will be as of Wednesday, as of tomorrow, as of tomorrow the 11th. So if you open any position, and it's if you open any position from today and it's looking good up till midday tomorrow, that's a good time to close your position because it's going to lose momentum, and anything beyond that may not be sufficiently justifiable. Not there will be far less confidence in any strength that's going to hold beyond midday tomorrow the 11th. Okay, but at the same time, I was going to say it's also giving you an indication of what could possibly what one could possibly do with the options, given that we are looking at the prospects of a contraction in momentum and also a downtrend as well. It's not there's a bounce, but it's not really going to hold. So towards Friday the 14th, there might be opportunities to look at the options, but it's also quite a really highly risky one as well. But at the same time, it doesn't stop us from having a look at what could possibly happen, what is on offer at the moment. So you can see here we have 23.5 dollars. What are the odds that it's going to print that? It's not very high. You know, if you can sell, one can sell this 23.5 call and buy a $23 call as well. So the spread will be 73 cents. So if you enter that contract and it goes through, you need you need a requirement. They'll you yeah, you need a requirement, and that requirement will be debited from your account. But the spread of 73 cents will be credited in your account right away. And then if they expire worthless, if they expire out of the money, then your requirement will be refunded to you, and then that's your profit. So, but it doesn't mean that's going to work. So that's not a recommendation. And this is just some of the things that traders will be observing to see. What are the odds? What are the prospects of it breaking through 16.52? Not very high. Not very high. It could happen, but not very high. So these are some of the things that could happen, and traders are equally observing and trying to position their selves for. So as things stand right now, the stock is currently trending. So have a look, and I will continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.